Fine, sis.
How is that going?
You undefined it in but it is, and these days it is too much.
These days it is too much. It is something that is alarming us, but we shall be fine.
Injira to Kitara.
I'm going to go mwezi gwa msenene.
Injira kanga mu October. Tekanga mu October.
Extending on November.
Sikira kande November lo baba mnorobali.
It is too much.
Banzoleke bana ino.
Injira niyo omusana kamda ko.
We have a queen here. When you have a queen in the house, you behave very well. Today we are going to do things professionally.
No, I don't know bagamba boija bulyambwa. Oliembwa.
Ati nitabageze bulyambwa.
And is no maka.
Nitabageze.
Taking a culture yaitwa tutoka so queen.
No, queen asigara ali queen.
Oira haje shashi.
Sashi kwa aizileke kuna hatali ba queen na ba kings. Sashi mwada mleke mulabisa like that.
Ni watandike tu.
Ni watandike please start.
Introduction.
Tutandike.
Murinyoro.
Obagambo rugiro muka. Tabasekia. Atuoke akambako. Akotindike waba start.
Mwaroho muta. Abanyoro. Amawa na iraka ninyoka rungi Fauzia Jeri. Ndugire muka mwaite Bujumbura East. Yeah.
Orugire muka.
No muka nharugiro mwaba. You introduce yourself.
I am Julius Chomuhendo, Munyeta tradition man of the show.
Yeah, African traditional.
Better what?
Guma ogi urugirenka.
Anyundi hano muka ndana mamuli mwa
urugirenka.
Tenina hali ndugire.
Omusajja takwenda kubaza rugire mwa mama Shanti.
Mama Shanti. No yaswire nyo ndugire mwange. For akyali mbazaire benyondo mwange.
Kali na nyoni nyo sisi president.
Orugire nka.
Ndugire omuka. Omuka omwaito mbazaire.
Mwanyoko.
Omuka omwanye na nyo
President wake.
President wa Rotary Club of Hoima Kitara.
Mwaka.
2023. Bujuti nkangire gibaiza bujubante nyo tutukubaza boa introduce yourself.
Awoli akiruka wangu.
Introduce yourself. What kuli kiruka? You people. It's like number 7 bora agia to or good. It does not just because you've said papa.
Yimbu 7 aragira agamba
Museveni nyote ndi Museveni.
But you are president.
You introduce yourself.
The most fierce and the most feared man when you're hano. The owner of the great ego, Basaija Mbungu.
Leka kanga abantu.
Julius.
Msajja mleka abaze.
Leka kutinisiriza abantu.
Wamabali maliriza introduction.
Julius kwenda kuolekyo.
Kwenda kunyole kyoki.
Ekyo gambe ekyo kutinisiriza.
Zimyo musana kali. Zimyo musana. Azimyo musana. Zimyo musana.
Alevinte that I cannot do. Kande binta kusokora mu bwaruhanga.
Betuleka kutinisiriza abantu.
Tikule kutinisiriza waitu abantu.
The most feared man in Bunyoro.
It is okay.
No, by the way, it is truth. That's his truth. You want to pay him
okay, is it okay?
No.
Is it
I want to ngwanda muitukize kilo. He will be there aja kunyumiza tomorrow.
Is it okay? Is it okay to I also repeat my introduction?
Yes, it is okay. It is your truth. First wait abazama liire.
Then I will introduce myself.
I told him. Kanda to kwenda mali kiki mazire.
Mazire.
Obairo mazire obetaka balize ibara lyawo, obairo taka tugambire omwanyi horuga eyo yanatoka bibalize.
Kati what do you want to know? Just know the most fierce Atatina and the most feared Atinwa Muno, the owner of the great ego, Bunyoro, Basaija Mbungu.
Owa angirenka?
Ndeka.
Mama. Omoha mama Jemaima. Introduce yourself.
I am Julius Chomuhendo. The ladies boy, the ladies man. Love doctor. Asinge ngonzi bunyoro nu.
Asinge ngonzi bunyoro. Akire ngonzi bunyoro.
Linda
producer.
Are you supposed to interact me when I'm doing introduction?
When chicken are having their feast, the
ladies money, Linda asinga love, and of course Nyasinga was sniper. bane bibagamba nti manya egos biki manya biki
omanyire you know that saying that says empty tins make a lot of noise.
Yeah, I know it.
Tingugambire ekimu kibeki nikidisorganizing obukoko 10 kandi ente ezalekyaneki omwaka guwona netulera ente ihulere
okwepika omanyira kanaka ebikweto bimanyire ate ebikweto ebyo babikamulira mukasawo ate babiteeka mukasawo nikepika kyonka bamarani bakamiga nikakora ki
Fauzia, reintroduce yourself nawe baza titles
sise let me tell this man kana ati busaha ankire enfumo bunyoro hano ajuze nsawo enigawe
so iwe tojuze nsawo
no I want to show him something nyombalize mu mfumo enfumo zibaza bagezi abatetegerize asigalirayo
excuse me okugambe tona bali hantu lipo domba nankai
nothing kibalize
okibalize wamata kibalize
I did not say that
no you said atamanyire mfumo abamanyire mfumo babagezi in other words you say you tabasigala tuli bado
manyire baitu timwendeze
tuzimanyire that is the truth we do not know
obudoma what is obudoma
kyongo musito
stupid
ew
it is okay to be stupid
banzolinde
it is okay to be stupid baleta dictionary hano nyonyenda ebintu bintu bimalege
banze mukati
producer tero phrase dictionary kimisa
mazokati
abaki tuteka kala ile etala yikalere mukiri iri okay
tugojoin omusajja kyakizire kwaka bunyoro hano nogwe optikeza kusaba
Batu magambire we are going off topic.
Yes, Mr. President.
We are going off topic. Mwizira hano mutandikire kwe haisa. Wama banzo introduce.
I feel omukenyonu tumulekera aruba jumuno oba ikale gwa.
Aikale hagati na nkonkororo.
Let's take a great position.
Aikale ha. Sembe.
Kitara.
Peace. Yakoba koroki.
Aba naendapo kumutwaro wayi.
Omugenyonu kara lete bizibu.
Hati nyoka nkugambira. Let me tell you.
Etaito zirutimbazi.
Let me tell you.
Kuruga kyalero kuina izire han. Ate ne marani mugamba you don't want to behave like kings. Behave like kings because the queen is in the house.
I want to show you something.
Like king.
No.
Okay, sure.
Hati nyonda mara yota no nanka.
No baza chali baza basajja mpungu baza mpuliriza.
Egos take time.
Egos take time.
And they never lose.
Akutenisiriza ogwo akutenisiriza bagambira era koraki
ntingara
ayo kyatejunjura.
It is okay.
Mama, introduce yourself with all your titles. Behaisize nawe we haisa borano gamba I'm the most beautiful girl in Bunyoro. It is okay. Behaisize neto it is that and kwe haisa.
Atamkira Uganda bantu bamanyi.
Atandikira Ruganda bakiruganda wa ino ndo expose.
Tunakenga
tukunda kumanya.
Okay.
Right
no here is the thing.
For clearance ndi mulisa.
Banzoleke.
Atibazoluganda.
Here's the thing.
Last time tukabaza hanganda.
Tukabaza insist. Nyowe kiskinki egombere. I need to know.
Nyondi mulisa.
Kwenda mukwanira maiso ka TV.
No. My dear.
Hati kikumanyisa.
Nyowe ngambire mwegombere abazoluganda rwentatomera.
Okay, basi.
Wamota wa Uganda.
Oruganda range mamsita kati.
Tinkumuzira.
Akumuzira.
Tinkumuzira.
No.
Ajja kwehaka n'obusita right now. Toli musita hii. Musita rukwero.
Buli munyoro wena by default aba mwana omukama. Kuba mwana omukama nikimanyisa oli mubito.
Bait. Iwo oli mwijukuru wo musita rukwera. Tini wiki mwijukuru wa kitalila.
Nyo ngambire. Tinka banze kintu kiona. Tinga banze kintu kiona.
Just I don't know kumuzira to kumuzira.
Okumuzira to kumuzira shiza musita kati.
Kisikira mulingo tuwabalize ijuwe.
I am starting to see where people start saying nyotali mwana wa mama wange bana ba mama wange na dadi wange bamanyiri.
Anyway, ogo na nyumba musita. Kandi tuino muzizo niko gumogomuka. Bwazire gano mazege nyamuteka maka jeki yaho nyamuhabuza bakuziraho
knockout.
No.
Wama introduce you.
Ahora Nigeria mazina kaka.
Nyota Kumanyisa Musita. Daga Musita, but she has nice friends.
Yes, she has. Oh, she could.
They are not friends are not Musita. So Nikyo gonna make it goes take time.
I was trying to protect my sister.
Oh please, I was trying to protect my sister.
Are you not my sister?
Yes, you are. You are.
Exactly.
So
yes,
sister with beautiful friends. Only I'm crazy.
Yes,
I'm no, you guys. Choka, we are interrupting. We are interrupting this girl. Just kurora warabali.
Okay.
But nanka. Okwenda kunta munanga kunkwata hala ataina kwatika.
Nkurabuke mukazi wawe.
Ota. How do you start?
Hey, isn't Paco your friend? You don't trust him?
I don't trust him.
Mukazi wawe
okutandika ota.
Munywani wange, munywani waitu.
Do you have any business with her?
Yes.
Now, speaking of that.
Mukazi wange isoke.
Mpereze namba ya mukazi wawe.
Ekadi mukazi wawe.
Ngihereza mama Chantel.
Iyo mukazi wawe kumwe.
Nyone kandi nyashe mama Chantel ninyaja musasu.
Kwa nyoni nyako hadi.
Actually mulesere na topic imba nyenda it's related to something that I wanted to talk about. Ijeri tukantubaza abanywani abana banyuko bungira abanywani bandi. And right now mukubaza haba utaina kuba munywani wa mukazi wawe why?
Ngugo mukaguze kandi nyowe mukazi we ningenda mu sente
hati deka ka
mukazi watingena mu sente Julius
kaguze wakaruraga embuzi nibajyauze nkora
yego
kusoboka kitekyo ngwa entare osogyahuze nya.
Wamai, what do you think about me being your boyfriend's friend?
Be realistic.
Be realistic. Abimanyire. Tomanyire our boyfriend.
I know.
Sister wange, mto wange.
Kiri fine.
Yeah, like it helps kikuyambaho, Nka. Ono wena gamba. It depends by the way
the friendship.
So they can even go out na muganira kuterana.
Una talk hikayo. Abakini mugenda out.
Friendship goes all that.
Yeah, obo bunywani.
But Hati, if at all we are friends, that means I can have their number.
Yeah, you can still have. But
tunanga ikora jagara muno.
Wow! These are things we're talking about. I want to call her Muho Mulimo as mukazi wangu.
Impereze namba ya mukazi wangu nyongi muhereze ngiforward.
Why do you have to be a middleman? You are the one who says you hate middlemen.
Now here's the thing, Julius. What you're trying to do is you do not trust your wife.
Of course.
It all comes back.
Of course.
It all comes back to
why should they trust her?
To trusting your wife, trusting your friend.
You get.
No.
Why should you not trust her?
Why don't you trust her?
Mbanga bichumba mbilinguliriza. Sazi na bichumba sazi.
No ebyarwe bagi.
Naomba yo ndora. Mpeka spy Chantel spyinga.
You realize why we call him African traditional man? African traditional man. Agalala hakanize kitu dawo kyenyi nini kimutererai. Chantel abidinguliriza. Chantel has TV to watch. She has friends to play with. Mwatange ku spying.
But let me tell you. Nyoti maraka trusting. That's the truth. Now I think I've spoken it before. Nti mukazi wange he had to trust her. Actually no tukungana ndarutimbyama. Bwemurane yetengesa ngamba iwe kiki. Bondora mana tukunga ino. Na yetengesa kikiwe libubwatenga. We have seen these things. We have seen these things bojoinyo. Hari tukura mahule nti omukazi asazireho ebitweka byensoni omusaya babiyani. Haven't you heard that before? And not once, not twice.
But I think that is after someone has collected too much anger.
Yes, haven't you seen it?
It's all about collecting too much anger. Just like that. No, I mean, look at it now.
So for you, would you trust Julius with your wife to be friends? Really?
Yes, we are
Muhereze namba kandi kimuhe eri right. Ero amoti mbwene nobaza na amoti.
Kwat.
Amoti atali mama Jemaima. Ni wa amoti sorry. So mama Jemaima so bedap. 07.
Omuliro mukaso.
Mbaire ntamanyengu ni wa amoti.
0772. 24.
Decreted to copy. I didn't know Kimani akwibaza for formality.
No, it's not about formality.
I was giving you the number.
Yeah, she has
788.
No, ahandikire mami Jemaima amount in brackets. Nyamugamba somena. Obwatandike kusoma 0772 nkulinguza ikulinko 788. Habaketa kupa 788 inkura moti hali.
But I believe it took over the trust.
By two, I definitely go introducing that. Akili nyowe kuikira songa ninga wewe.
Mazo leke tarora na palito arguments.
Nyoko mugamba. Wewe mama Sante ono mpako. Nkweno siyo mkazi wange zinga hanzi kusinga.
Anyoko nda kumutwara out munywani wange. Munywani wange. Nkumutwara out kan your business.
Na nyoka I will take your wifi.
Anyoko gambega you don't trust it. Ekitonya kikinga. But you gambega you trust.
Of course, arabamu trust.
Kwa but you
trust na mutware na out.
Tinja kutrust in that form. I'm going to trust you to conduct business with her because I want my wife to be rich. Ngwenda tunge sente. I need her to network. Titaja ku networkinga nimteka munkumu all the time.
Networking is different.
It is the same. How do you think people network?
Kale mtware out to networking leo.
Why?
Wait. I have one saying
if I told
something.
you trust your wife, oh no, arakamugamba way to get it out. Still your wife aja reasoning agambi no.
And
then not only that, by the way, there is even a probability of the woman telling Paco that, you know what, Julius wants to take me out. Is it okay with you? And you trust her enough to control herself not to go to the extent that the should be.
I can come and tell you that, sweetheart. But okay, Julius, so go up. You know, this is data politics. Ntamanya wainikia bokwa mwendezi.
Akwenda na kubribe.
Kuswekereza obonga ko goze.
Ndakikenye mbaka kingambaho. You're joking.
You should mwina kulibati.
Let me tell you. Never trust umeshikiwa muno kutaha muno boyfriend wao. I'm telling you.
How?
Because like me personally. Hati simuli handu babiri nywe. Of course, nkubani nyenda like nkenge buli omu kikikyali.
Okwendo kengoda.
I can have all of you.
Excuse me.
It is possible.
It is possible. Haven't you seen? Haven't you seen? No, sis, haven't you seen? Haven't you seen?
No, Moragenda, we shall follow you with those cameras.
No one can even. Only munywani.
No. You see what she said at the beginning. Here's what Fauzia said at the beginning. You see, it's all about, yes, you let your friends be friends with your boyfriends, but at the same time, put some limits, okay? There should be some limits. If at all, let's say you two are dating, right? I first knew you before I knew her. The thing is, as long as I know there is Fauzia in the picture, my texting shouldn't be up to late in the night. My calls shouldn't be up to late in the night. I shouldn't be calling you for no reason. You get it? I should be calling you for business. I should create a relationship, a respectable relationship, because there is a Fauzia or there is a Mama Chantel in the background. You get it? Julius, in one way or the other, obanywani baonayo obamanya no gambono sisono achakura abasaija tinkumu introduce ngomwa ibanyo no manya sisono is a very trustworthy person. I'll introduce them to my husband.
I'm telling you.
You guys, you just have trust issues. That's it.
It is not that.
No, but
the whole thing is all about nyoni ngamba nyowe enso mulinga ijane konka koraki. Ngakitwa. You remember butaba ntugamba Julius Sanu. There is no single way eja kugayo kagamba mwana wangu mkulize kurungi. In this era. Mwana tukagamba jakuruga yamuga daddy I am a bisexual. Abazakabe
you remember also now wagambire nti
omwana kugamba
haro if is utakwenda even kueteka mumbu what if
no yes
na know what if says
but these are things which
remember for him right now he's grown up. He's grown up, but for you grooming your child. Kile kinu mbaye ndora henyizire han mbaye ndora documentary omwana ali 9 years. The child akabanza isandaraba tomboy at around 5 years, and the parents allowed him to go through with the whole thing of changing his gender. You get
the tomboy process.
Yeah, the tomboy process. No, the tomboy process at least never just dressing up like a boy. But this boy went ahead and changed his name, changed his pronouns. She now dresses like a girl. She's even going for surgery. The truth is, we try to fight it in one way or the other, but at the same time, we are failing to control it, so we have just decided to support the child. The child is 10 years.
Why do you want to fix me?
No, we don't want to fix it.
We need to be ready for such things. We want to enjoy our old age. When we are all 85, 90, we want to make such calls. We want to explain that. It's
not that we want actually we want Chantel to have a very bright future, to get married, straight life, to get married to her husband, to have a very successful future. But here is the thing, Mama Fauzia, you've heard of that saying of prepare for the unwanted. That is the thing. Prepare for the unwanted. Now, for me right now, in my family, if someone came out and said,
do you know why in Uganda we have full minister of Simanyi disaster?
Does he stop the disaster?
Osanga na disaster neija etana na kintu kyakategekaho gakiro. Because
at least for you can prepare.
No, it is like saying, why should they prepare for the worst? It is like saying, you kujuka bule ida butu abagane engo izino zo mwirwaro. So like you preparing yourself with pakoja kurwara nibo litwara rugo. Amasuka go mwirwaro. Yes.
Amasuka that one I do not know.
You didn't know?
No.
So you also want me to prepare you know
I think the day you get sick, or you are here Amasuka, or you have all these years.
No, I've heard it is like even in Namata Bagamba, how can you own a disease? You write one sinuses. Your disease. You own your disease.
There's nothing.
So what I'm saying is, you can't. I don't want to fix meat to prepare for the worst.
No, like you should just get to know. Like you should understand. This is a message to homophobic people.
Yeah, it's a message to homophobic people.
Not everyone will be like you.
Exactly.
Not everyone will be like you.
Of course, but what I'm saying is,
you're the kind of people gay person. You have to kill that friendship. Yes, they could be very good friends.
But
Mama, what do you think about what do you think about someone being prepared for the worst, especially concerning children and LGBTQ things? The reality that we are living in now.
Then I'm going to bring my partner. No, take that kulete kisikiro na kulete kyo. Ali moja. What? Okay, so do you think you have a big hand? Mkukuzo mwana in a straight manner.
Yeah, I have it.
You think?
I think I have.
My dear.
Not even thinking. Not even thinking. But
because
that is the truth. omuzaire niwe ino mukono okusinga ikuzo mwana
omuzaire it depends omwana wo omukulizo
that is why
it's not that but
mu program ya sembere I told you
abazaire bakuliza abana ba
mu program ya sembere I told you nyagamba abazaire nyagamba abazaire hata abana bahumwire third term niye bandaira abana mutabanagiriza mayo kubasindikanka be with your kids mubakenge mubamanyi more aswata abana babaire mu holiday bamazire myezi nga abakine myezi ene ibokwenda bahumwire you want to send them out to
kiri hamwana do you know why you teach your child piano then at the end of the day akakundiza boy dinga garuka mu football because kiri hamwana I'm telling you
no let me because
bakuliza abana
inye mukubaza muno Fauzi ati nkure byakubaza
nekanda nyoka lembazo about that kikusigikira omwana wo omukulizota
tikiri nti omuzwana omukulizota Fauzi
let me defend it omwana omukulizota ogenda kula ono omwana wo nomukuzaga nomanya hano ali mufu hano tikina right okikenga omwana wo agenda akula orundi naenda muno omupira iwo jamusindikiriza muki oja kura na yendeke kintu kyenyine ekyakuba iwe kyomanyire namusindikiza ekimukire kintu ekyata kwende yeah
tikiri
even okura nezo weakness hali bizira like hali bizira Kimanyisa nti one way or the other mpaka abaho like weakness nkayo muzaire hali walagaizi
you can never be perfect
sisi
you can never be
so mulingo bakukulizema tihali ebigambo byokutegeeza nti byotasakubasa no gamata I can't speak this
no gamata
but I have a zaire I've seen on TikTok bwana nibaze bigambo inyendo nyike takusakubaza
kigambo yeye takusakubaza
biroho nkaki ibe byokutekereza nti dia simple words but
kituwe wetele
ebigambo bitaragwa mu kanwa
kiwe wetele
wakihulire
ati toko daktari
wakihulire
agambire taide kyabalizi
agambire
ulira murwa ulira garuka I swear upon that no you're
but what we are saying itwena ebintu bine bituli who we are believe me tukubihira mulingo batukulize
no I say it is more of the surrounding than the parents
I think yeah
it is more of the surrounding than the parents my dear
and another thing experimentation you people
like curiosity
you people there is one thing you're not realizing let me use Paco as an example
not me
yes I'm using Paco as an example you're going to hear and you're going to like it Paco went to the best school the father fought hard
no basomere Kampala
bana basomere Kampala Kampala I think the father expected the son to be a lawyer a doctor and
at says nalian mukwasama
but this boy the passion was mukwasama the passion was behind the camera the passion was being the DJ
alizali ni DJ Paco
you get it Paco akamuka some different name but trust me right now you cannot go home and you look for that name and you find it you'll have to look for Paco you get it because he's lying Paco nyewe nkakura mumanyire nka junior chonka
baitoli mwesereke
do you realize that kikantwalira obwire kutandika kumweta kurungi Paco because I knew but do you realize he went to campus, he went through all those things because the father expected a lawyer, an engineer, a doctor, a manager or something. But guess what? You get it? So it's not even he was influenced or anything, but in some way, experimentation actually my passion is this side of the world. It's not
but the passion is different.
No,
it is different because men cannot dictate. I cannot dictate to a child.
You've seen boarding schools. Boarding school money. And for 14 days.
That's what we are saying. Emyeze gyagimazira isomero ali mu boarding obwagarukaho omwana ono murole
what are you going to change in 14 days
14 days of course arobuto
no let us assume both of them have children tibali hantibakora bagya kutasazinga
I them 14 days Shantino Munasazinga.
Iwo gyagamba defend it muli hano mukora if you have children at home.
Sio utukutaha muka we have
you should learn how to relate with your child.
You have to get that little time.
I was giving an example. You remember the example the story nyabanyumisi. I was checking Gikurumana akusoma nsasora fees. Bikiri ya kusoma. And it is just mudaki. And I realized there is something she's lacking. Of course I had to communicate with the teachers. Nyamagamba, what's wrong?
And you think they will knock?
It's still mwana wa obo mwaire wire it doesn't mean it toja kusiba nawe toja kusiba no because this is a busy world.
It's not about parenting.
We need to accept.
It's about exposure. Abakumano jabu kusa kurungi
exposure of course nayo muzaire ni wogimuha.
It is not that even
exposure because namasomero gemu kubazaho ni you choose the schools your child
no when you expose your children such that they don't look like
exposure. I choose exposure that I want to give to my child. It is like saying it is like saying TV. It is good TV could you watching, but also come and sit with them or watch already Dikibi Barora.
No, just
on Nickelodeon, on Simani, which sit and them and watch what they watch. Wait,
both of you. Have you ever lied to your parents?
Yeah.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Does your parent know you have a boyfriend?
Of course, agakimanya kyonkata kuna kimuli
ntakimanyire.
Agakimanya.
And it is even natural. It is even natural. Like at this age. Maloma na kubata ina girlfriend, manya boyfriend. Chantel, I told you when Chantel makes 16. When Chantel makes 16, atakanga mbaga boyfriend na Vicky. Of course, njakuwa nikinira she's supposed to have a boyfriend.
That time you will be the most bitter parent. Even Julius, I'm telling you.
Julius, we are watching.
Age perception here when you
kulinguze byokulya.
Atika no moja kwa ndako. Lero bali yamuno moja. Which kind of family do you come from? So you,
but anyway, what for you, Julius? I'm happy.
What are the kind of things you would lie to your parent about? What are the kind of things? What kind of things would you lie your parent about? Does your parent allow you to go out? Like go out to the club and all that?
Of course I'm going.
So do you go?
Yes, I go.
How do you tell your parent?
And the parent is watching.
Yeah, I know.
Birthdays. Yeah. Yet sometimes it's not even birthdays. Yeah. Do you know?
But do you realize? Let me ask you. Taro mudupa na mara na kikenga na kikugamba.
Yeah, na kingamba after.
Yes. Na kikenga na gamba baitu kini kiwandupe na kino kila kimkibi.
Mugumika kwini. Ona ngamba ikana nyina. Nyo kubwatu ngana.
Mugamba ngenda out. Mia ngenda na.
No bano ngakulala mukibebe.
Nimbaza mazima. Me, I don't lie to my mom. That's the beauty about it. I don't think I've lied to my parents. That is the truth. I have not. No, I have not. The only time I've lied to my parents is here's the thing. My mom wanted me to go buy for her some things in town. She's in the village. She went
now that one some statement you because to come
me, I don't lie. That is the truth. I don't lie.
Okay, have you ever lied to your parent?
No, I have not.
I cannot Uganda.
I've twisted the truth. I've twisted the truth a little bit.
Even here you are.
Have you ever lied to your friends?
Of course, my friends, I lie to them every day.
Even here.
No, I cannot lie to you.
She said, do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because I don't want.
Mali.
Teza majutu kusabiri. Teza majutu. No, I'm being realistic. Teza, why don't you have a boyfriend?
Why don't you want a boyfriend?
Why don't?
My heart was broken.
Teza, so you think over breaking at you?
No, I'm
You
taking.
just-
No, I'm
they
taking a break.
Reinvest in
No,
business
they should
because
reinvest.
Obonywa
You
maizi.
should take a break to think and then come back to the.
Obonywa amaizi gakakuruka ntotalongera kanya. Teza amagi tukusabira. Teza
tugenda mwa.
Teke emikono.
We're going to.
Oba tukugenda twalona onaabe.
Tumgwa mwa kitu.
Ogo gamgaya tera kiboko. Ogo gaya tera kiboko.
No.
Atera kema msimu.
But it's okay. It's even in the Bible. Tell them
Abe tugende bakusabire mu kanisa.
Baitu tugenda.
Baraba kuyoyire bigere nakyo baze. Tutwale bakuwoki.
Kuyore bigere ni group.
Kuyole bigere. Literally kuyole bigere.
Kuyore bigere then you stop.
Ate abana banabiro weza abantu banabize ira.
Abana bakunyirira to kubarora.
You see? Hatu kunyirira kuta.
Aina boyfriend.
Aina boyfriend. Iwo rao you don't have.
When akunyirira.
No, I'm taking a break. I'm taking a break.
Which break?
I'm taking a break.
No, we are tired of being with you. You're tired of kusaija.
Ekandinya basajja bange.
No, let me, in the next week is the program.
Ajja kwesende.
Next week is the program. Next week is the program. We need to progress on how far you have gone to have a pattern.
And the viewers are watching.
How to get? Next,
Alaya
if it needs.
Let me give you progress next year. Fauzia ni waje kuja mpavuzeki hauzeki next year. Fauzia come back to the show next year. Bojo yenye. Sasa ni kina binge biko.
If it needs tutandike kutwara au tutandike kutwara akao oyeteke tukuhindulire engoye zo kujwara if it is the problem.
We have searching friends.
Mutandikira.
We have searching friends. Nekiana kili jota kirori kiazire hamna nanka. Ne motokeri egira obuti busatu.
Ati we kalisi. I'm offering you a dress like Fauzia's.
You're offering me a dress like Fauzia's.
Yes.
Fauzia, you're taking me shopping. Go present.
Yes, I've told
For
you.
you, what are you offering?
Okay, to at least.
Ekintu bukira.
Nails inkeza Fauzia at least. Otandike kwetega. You see.
Ekintu bukira yanga last week we were sokilia in the camera. Ekigaruka we all know.
Kidnapping me.
Bakuogie.
Kandi kuogie. Kidnap. Kuogia.
You want to kidnap?
Tuzale agia kana tukaro baya dino oyo mwetu kuzaka karungimo.
Ngwa kuba basajja mpungu.
Otroze. Ogo mganyiro liko.
Badi mbeganyire fake master.
Hey. I need okay no buransi seibara.
Ladies man.
Manya ladies man aja kuteka ho mukasi. Obyetegere. But me when you're with me, everyone will fear you, they will respect you.
Wama Fauzi. When your boyfriend wakakwata like is it a surprise to you wakakanga ganti boyfriend wawa ina musiki onde? It doesn't surprise you.
Not really.
You expect
Bibaza mu camera.
Yes.
You expect okay now. Omwina. You have.
I can't. But as long as they come to know that I know you.
Okay now. Apparently.
Tibuli.
No,
apparently. Kutwenda babiri.
Nipo malai.
Ati omusajja
No.
one man one woman.
Kirikiti. Yes. Wado mundaka kimanya ntingu taku.
Let's all
go. Kumanya titainayo. But in case of mundaka kinga ntinga inayo. Akikolo betu ntakuzele.
Kama
of course to Saki Kenga, but I'm telling you. It does it surprise you? Or what do you think? Okay. Or that man, do you think?
Isenyo.
Hey, it is okay.
Isenyo. Bona bakakoro.
Oh, it is okay, but my question is.
Bali basita.
Yego.
But my question is, Ntihati, botamwina sazi, do you think that may
Mulibaru harufu. Agambire, is your grandfather still alive?
Yeah.
Still alive. No, tibaliyo.
ati wetekanize kuboina na sister baba na brother baba.
No. Why are you telling her to prepare for the worst? Why? Why are you telling her to bring
No,
her?
that is okay.
But it's like 1 + 1 equals.
No.
No, that is okay. One rubber sister bao.
1 + 1.
Look at you.
Who was 2?
Yes.
You come the senior at the synagogue. At times I be like, I wish my dad was Zaida Havana. Abagena like even in 60. You get? I swear.
Do you support the thing of having very many children?
Yes, smoke one was so good. Same desire.
Excuse me, how kwete mna?
Anyway,
But if
you
you have
agreed that on the beginning.
Okay.
Ni mutani.
Mukazi.
No mukazi abana. Yeah, abana.
Ato mukazi oja abana wasaba mukazi.
No, mwina kuikiraniza.
Mwina kuikiraniza. Ni wakubahimba baba.
No bano ga kuzara no gama ngenda kutwe.
Ego.
Julius, you agree with that?
Yes.
No genda
Ni
kuzara.
wakubahimba.
No
What if
gama.
she's going through a medical problem?
Tell me, I'm your husband.
Ati ni kugame na mwina kusoka kibaza.
No, angambire how will I know? Ngamba nyata okunyenda. Otakungamba. Those things of
Ukibaza hoda.
Mwina kwete.
How are you going to
mwina
do
kwete
that?
kanza kuru.
What I know is botaha mu maka. Always expect omukazi kutera surprise akugambe nyinenda. Because most of the time TV wanting ati kugambe.
Because
kuno maka to
like in last week's program mlingo mbagambire into when we go tukakola kude mbata kutere mu buse. So ati kikina kuba.
Anyway, mwina kwetekaniza ati kangambe omukazi ngogwo mutekere hamulimo bakubanja bintu
tibye harwa nenyama bwano yaginurwa eraba mu muro ente efa ente nebagwa ebisato nebinagwa nebitundwa
my dear let me tell you can never have a straight life okagamba ntati na kimunki ine le cancer. That is why it's saying I'm atakaza now the first settle. You will never have a kairi no gamata I have sent now at 0 cancer. Never.
Ask Magara is a fellow person Morotari yani. Omabuze wakabagola okagamba
nti sentence
because every time we wokura income na disposable income, the amount of money you spend na yekolaki. So isanga obere no spend no bane million no spendinga hemitwaro nkaga nsanju kinana hati bogeza milioni 10 expenses
nazo yongeire so I think perception is winner these days. It's perception is winner kusigala ni mposhinga responsibilities maizo ni mposhinga. You can never have a kind of government at sentence ine kanzale with sentence ine kanswere. No, it is just a matter of gamba hati kantandiki
kandi kotandiki kije bwija
you get hati njai no kujinaniziba kuti hati mari no
anyway nyawe tingia kuwaza mkwenda you want to attack me speak
but we're not attacking
you Fauzia Wenka seems like she's on your side so I'm not going to speak
na Fauzia tumugambire
she has a boyfriend so what else
is Fauzia omusajja ogambire musajja ngejja muhabana kumanga bayina
ajaga utabibaza
wama tugambire
sister wange
tugambire leka tulole okay kakale kitaba haliwo wenka
munana
but kale literally let us make it general. Omukazi okwendeza abena abana azale balina bainga
omukazi like for
kanda musaija
kanda musaija agenda kuna tabana no musaija
akubala abana
kumasa nyowe inywe bana nibo munana for my side aliona tokina nibo bana nibo 12 ati buli omuntu nabyo bana bana
musaija no mukazi inakuwa at least bana bakuma
family
nikyo kumanyisa
omusajja n'abana bana n'omusajja n'omukazi bana
Omusajja n'omukazi bona babiri.
Ate yo family. Ate abo omusajja
baba nkabanga.
Kandi ge teri family.
Ate ge family kubendi na inywe.
Eta.
Ati nikyo tuabulizeke. Omukazi.
Only all have to have one family.
You have exactly.
One family.
Yeah,
you have to have one woman.
But when kwekengera no. Because you people hatitu enkabalisa. Abalisa obutwali ente. Obutwagendaga kulisa businzi. Wakoroga o family. No zara onokuzara. Ntoba kurangira go bunyansi kasingo. Eno no gireka no twale ente kuli kasingo. No okora i family. Ni kwotyo. But nyomba
how can
a man have 4 kids?
Yes, it is possible.
4 kids nyonye na nimba na bana.
Nikyo ngambirege mu kusoka kwikiraniza. Okay.
But abana bano bamanyire.
Teka.
Oiro bakuba no gamba, bokuba no gamba like hati muliwe, nkuzale mbana. Sise muzale mbana.
No.
Okulema kumayisa omusajja
omubana.
Okay, nyowe no musajja wange. Abana bakumala.
Omusajja wawo.
No mukazi no mukonyeza.
Baitu tukuba tuli bana.
Why are you selfish?
Not being selfish.
Hey, we're going to fune your one.
Actually, human nature is selfish.
Yes.
Human nature is selfish. It's as simple as that.
Okwenda omusajja wawo azali muri wenga.
We need to
ekanda abandu harabazara. Do you realize it musio na population yanya bakazi muri bangi? No, do you realize it muri bangi muno?
No, okulora awakandora actually kakamboleke. Our campaign area sikose itook pushing Kitara TV na abandi bono. Carriers are supposed to get kids carriers ne omuntu aba ina sikose guli gogaba. Mtimu bakuzara na carrier mutahiwe they can get a sikla. Hata ina kuzara a normal person. But these normal people to go in the carriers. Ati.
I think I can gaga why women are you are so selfish to that level.
We are not selfish. We are being realistic. Okurora, Okurora, that is the thing. You will create inequality. Okay, Ojakuzara Mlinyoza Lena Muli Fauzia. But remember, half of your time you spending it with Fauzia, right?
Half of my time I'm spending. No, it is not half of my time.
No,
my time. It is my time.
Oh, we want. Kandi bana bangi bona.
Ninya bakuleta gad na nkabine bya mutaleta mwana wananga wa Fauzia kulirana atatubungira mwana wange naija omwana ali wange okumubonesa okufa abawe bona bana
Nyonga mkazi wange nkamugamba bwendireta abana bange hanu makagabu. If you're not willing to be with them, niwo inakuruga maka.
You see, you're contradicting yourself. That you do not want your children to even visit your friends or their aunties or anything.
That is why they are coming to their dad.
But their dad, what if Fauzia or me, I am going to mistreat the children? But the best option for the children to get to know, let's say for example, for the children to get to know their sisters like Nyona Fauzia to Inabana in Julius, the children to get to know each other, it's them going to Isaac's place. Okay?
Isaac's place. Why should they go to Isaac's place?
Who is your brother?
By Jomu Hange Makagangi.
Fauzia Kuniki Zambalete.
If Fauzia don't allow them, you are not
okay, you force it.
No! Those are sisters and brothers of your very abatakuso kuleka abana bawe haruha amuhanda
tokubaikirizo amakoga
oja kubaleta iwo oja kutuka no rekarana
they have come to sisters not you.
And then you forget one thing, even the children themselves can mistreat themselves.
No,
abana babo inyo omukazi ninyo kimutekamu
tokimuteka
oja kimuteka after obalesire nkozerege kinkuhaka yi.
But why?
No, you people, let me give you a scenario. Actually, let me give you a scenario. These 2 kids were born from 2 different mothers. I've seen this. They were born from 2 different mothers. They all would just go to their grandfather to get to meet and also to get to see their father. Right?
Because it is
so that is when they would meet. And somehow the mother died way earlier. And then the other one, the mother stayed alive. So the other one did not have this mother kept on pushing nagamba gabojo mwana ogo, let us even visit her, you get it, like let us go to school, like she pushes, she knows ono mwana wa ibanyowe. Are we together? Kana ngo musajja ina bana babiri bonka monse okay. So
tatali
iwe ina banga
tali musajja
anyway aina bana ba monse. So this woman babiri bonka aina bana babiri monse. So this woman kept pushing.
Nuka igeno nyate atinya bange.
What is the story ya? Ni bibi atandika choka ina bana aba.
Noto sa kuambali and avoid kandi babiri bata. Iyo bamanyita.
Ego.
Those are the ones I choose to show you. I choose to show you what I want. Mama, but I've already called the people and I've already called the people a camera ni bagamba baira bwalabo no mwana wangu mulete. Because I know.
Anyway, let me finish my story. So this woman she loved this child even though mwana somehow tiyejagomwa yebo mwana yakaragoma grandparent but chonko omkazon every time she would be going to school to visit her daughter bakaba their schools were different but they were on the same route na rabano omwoli no na batwichinga equal chonka bantinyo omwana ono ndio wakabiri. She resents her sister as much as possible.
And I can actually tell you, I can.
The mother died when she was young, so no one told her about resenting the sister.
Okay. Aboruganda mukazi.
Yes.
Aboruganda mukazi.
It is impossible.
Aboruganda banyina. Nyamuteri ngiyo. Omusayi gusigara kuri musayi. Oyiro no gamba. Orundo mwana omu alikwekana.
Yes.
Unless in Muganda. But Wama, you see, these two sisters, the other sister tries so hard. Because the mother told her that is your sister, that is the only sibling you have to love them. But this girl, she keeps
this is a Nigerian movie. This is a Nigerian movie. This is a script. This is a movie.
Tindora.
No, Africa no gambiro musajjalo.
Musajja akafa.
No mukaza akafa no musajja akafa bona.
No, the woman knew yabandize kufa no musajja yafa leta nikyo mwana ikaliamba grandparent. But she's I think grown up now Timanyi.
The brother would have at least kurwanire bya mwene wa.
Banya inye mukwekaliza inye musakutekeza abasajja batayikirire bali but there are some men who don't ever give birth.
Yes.
Exactly. Who are
until you know Omanyira what? They brainwash them with their thinking, just man of West modern whatever.
African traditional society. But anyway, the children are now grown up, but actually recently I saw them.
I'm telling you. Twina campaign to kwenda abanyoro tuijuze itakale tulino and you are preaching against it.
I've not preached against it.
You are enemies of the development.
But these are enemies of Omukama Kabomba.
Of course, nakyo kira.
But do not put me in trouble no Omukama.
Because he's also seeing it.
Because other tribes are coming and they are taking over. And for us, you want us to have only 4. What's wrong?
It is only 2 ways.
Ogenda kuzara because you want to compete or because you want it.
It is law. They
want to compete. Of which ogenda kuzara abana batage na
it is by law.
In the last show, I told these people, you know, my youngest daughter will
Bakura, Nabali Munda.
Yes.
Abakura. Yes, Ajakura. No.
Osa akakohe motoko givuge na hato gin. Exactly.
Over so no president himself.
Okagena mu international school no wasome. Otasome
toli
hanyumirizam.
Say you know gamba akuzirata.
You know there is a show. There's a show I think 4 weeks ago. Bana baye bakagamba. Give your children what you didn't get. Okay? Give your children what you didn't get.
In your capacity.
Now,
in your capacity you
cannot even give them the chance to get the things you yourself
yes nike kimuna abana mukuza muna kwa muna plan yabo
inya bakazi those things they batunge bakubaduka
ebya
plan for what has not come.
Yes,
you cannot plan for what has not come. Not until kwa ura sente ntibo ujja kuruwa. No. Never. I keep money that one day I will get sick.
Okay,
when I can use that money for some things.
I've made
let me just eat well and I will be buturuwara by ngaba kama. Hiyo kimanyile even many Ugandans bagenagena mwilwara after 4 days. Bwarora ndo musu jaguta akuhibile epi. We have the
temperature
that's why Aurora because it's expensive. Africans do not go to hospitals. So you cannot start praying yourself for one day. Now this is medical fund. 5% of my salary. I shouldn't be sick in my brain.
Medical fund insurance.
Actually,
you cannot be sure.
I don't know but not actually na government ya Uganda condom mutandike no zikunda kutunda. They should stop giving them zabs. They would rather at least give pads to women as zabs, but condoms muzigule for what?
Excuse me.
By the way, I support that.
Why?
Yes, you choose to use the condom, but because you don't choose to be a
and these pads are expensive.
And they're expensive.
The condoms need to also be given out.
How many times?
No, but how many times
have you used the condom?
All those things.
How many times have you used the condom?
All those things are coming out of using condoms. Sometimes you just have to ignore the noise behind you. Sometimes you just have to ignore. But anyway, you're right. Like they should make pads easily accessible to.
Actually, there is this thing again. And if you are a queen, in any manner, if you choose to do this thing, reusable sanitary pads. I find them disgusting. Even washing my own blood, I can't maybe mirror. I mean my own hanky, I can't maybe mirror. Now I try to imagine a girl.
No, but that's
no that one.
Sometimes
that one it is the situation.
It is the situation, yes.
The situation.
You need to cover
and
the government has ability.
And you see, the first lady Karaganiza. I see pads, but I don't know why. Ataka kifirifiri
First lady ni wara. Museveni. Mchala Museveni.
Yes.
Ogo mkwate mpora. Sasa tutamutunuro. Tubaze twetunuro. I need you people to advocate for reusable pads nyezo kazanga kikusana washing your own but batu inywe akatambara you feel oh my god amasuka no gatobia but you people see the things in that way.
No, you're talking that just just because you're a man. But I can wash my own blood.
Yes.
I know you
because
can.
It is like
but no, let me can't. But we're just trying to show you.
No, here's the thing. You see, here's the thing. Sustainability. Thank you. For sustainability, it's not about. No, the thing is. For sustainability. You see, it's way cheaper to give someone reusable pads than giving them these ones for disposing of. Ogiamuha disposing of, and then next month is taking a long to come. But if they have reusable pads,
and actually even for
let me tell you, I know someone who says that reusable pads the reusable pads are flexible.
Let that be a choice.
Because
but even health-wise, by the way,
health-wise, one. And
they're good.
But I've had many women say they are comfortable. And secondly,
I told you, I need you to bring topics you're sure of. Do you know pads? Give me materials as well. Pads. Materials as well. Pads. Good pads. Good pads as
always.
No, good material. Exokora pads and
But okubaza reusable, okubaza na
zinu. So disposable. material nge yokora pads. Cotton.
Yeah, they use cotton.
Even yokoro lero okay. Okay, but the materials of manyire. Already mukubimanyi. The banana fiber bena mu bibazo heyo mu baza materials kora pad.
Aya banana fiber.
Niyo bagambye inywe hano. Do not just
no, because no, you reusable pads are
manta kwenda genda deep here.
No.
But you see
reusable pads za hanyonza ngire.
They are reusable for Africa. For Africa. I support it because Africa tukiali bana. Do you know how much is one pad?
Mugete kamena
with a good quality pad.
One
packet. The good quality is 6,500.
65. Like hatim mumara sometimes babironka bisato binda. Like maximum no kosaka zinga. No like kengamba mobile bisato. Nizo sente kazinga mo buli mwezi.
Nika kukaga bitano.
Do you think omanyira abana bayisika batakuzisobola sentence?
Then they are
omanyira abantu abatakusobola kujua lengwe.
Batakusobola baba wembe sometimes.
Nikikimboleka. Ntingu we should not kikusana olga gambeke maya Africa tulibana ko muno. Enda kutugeteka mu.
Actually, but up to that extent, but at the same time, it is.
To get
it is. No one man finding reusable pads is kind of
stop advocating for reusable pads and start advocating for disposable pads.
No.
What?
No.
What might you speak?
Those pads that are nice and more healthy than. I use them. I use them.
Okubaza for the sake of the camera.
No. Abakino musindika. But
abakino sindikize mgetinye.
No. Okay, if you use them, that is your choice.
Yes, so
because they are
no, that is your choice. No, but here we are looking at ebintu ebiterekerire.
Nikeke kitereke according to me and what I have.
No, actually, me I want even to have a campaign over you rejoin me the queen. Nkwenda tugende nombandi nabana bayisiki tubwegesa how to even kukola zino pads zenyi eziri reusable because you believe me or not and now that the economy is low in hands abana bangi bakubona abo
Paco, have you seen a reusable pad?
I've seen it.
The Afripad ones, right?
I've seen
no, not just the packet. Not just the packet.
I've seen the types of reusable
have you touched that reusable pad?
I'm telling you.
So have you touched, let's say, the other pads, the disposable ones?
Ati nyongugambira iogeze nahara. Pad zeze zimukubaza hono kuja zitakata nile kuija. We knew people bakosa katauli na kazi.
Hana kuogja na katika msana na kagurani na kachua.
Hati kaka wakai na busibula. Kaka wakai na busibula. Kaka wakai na busibula katauli. Kaka wakai na buzibuki ari banyina bakita babata
bakoze kirikiti cyakunda kurora.
No, it is like actually do you know
oja kweninga kiri hariwe
nyo mujja kunno
I know
no kunaba yo kijja kuba kiri
there is blood
there
is blood
no
you see nyo mujja gamba ati manyabiki but do you know nyowe recently eirabula abantu bakoze tali na ira muno not even very far bakoze sagana pi pampa zitakaizi but do you know nti pampa zinazisisire muna abana baitu nti napi zikaba bit very fine
they are good but they affect the
they've
affected the
no all in all again soraga
mutagumya gawaza bintu zibasisire bata mubibaze kamera it is okay you have
the thing is we have lacked information but things are nice to use
Nigeria maule kakaturuka gagamba nti the reason as to why there is high rate of impotence mu bana abojo nti abana abojo bagenda abana bakwika no genda isomero batibakwenda basense mu uniform na biki atinka bano ba baby nti ne babajweja nanga pampa ni bazisibamu it is affecting them
na pia marambwa wile
enapewa gisensa mugano gikara Mr.
Okihamu nikyo ngabire have lacked information
and enapi rugoye
enapi no kuba
rugoye terinka pampa
what is the pampa material
cotton yeah and
enapi rugoye
no and some other material and other some materials they can fixing them no and some other material but enapi rukabaritra rugoye
chemicals this very clothes react with this very clothes react nijorolera ebipande bikwasire mu nkuwao that's a reaction So everything mumino tutuleke kubirora mukabiteka mu science nyingi muno my dears muleke kubiteka mu science nyingi muno because tujja kulala hana and yet our producer
but the truth is out of time nyowe the abakazi abaloko abana banyu if it is possible muleke kubasibya muno mu pampa
nijyo wandibalizi atali kubajo kapamba.
What's the difference? No. Because napiti zikiazoka jakosa
napiti ziliyo but
muleke kubageka
ziliyo batu bakuzenganya
ababiri pako na Julius eki argument tegi yako danga ekinyeti sezege Queen Fauzia, you know she's an inspiration to some Bunyoro youth and all that. She's an inspiration by the way. Ukimanyire
is missing
is
what
Miss Personality.
Now for someone who has a good personality, it means they by the time they chose her to have Miss Personality, she had a lot of attributes to bring her. So I want you to give a word of encouragement or advice maybe ogenda kora to especially to the youth abali mu holidays because the holidays
I used the pad as microwave where okahore binyabalizi
ogamba
mugamba visiting
YouTube
he has the footage
iwo manye byabalizi you have the footage.
No, meaning you go back
no, data kimanyira will go back and the footage.
Kibaze hati kiwe show a continue okabazaki arrange
pads use ntabaza use
manya pads sorry
her pads I told them what pads do kawagamba pads it creates confidence okay creating word hano hali indi tokumanya maybe I'm in my message over tindi but I'm here nkubaza
okay
I'm okay yeah ni hawo nyabaga nyanankire nyabeni ngamba they should use pads.
But what muchafu ikanino.
Yes, nagoja kimanya tingondi muchafu. Atinye ni point yawe kuyisira.
Okay, Miss Personality.
No, Miss Personality. Abana bahumwire there is a lot of things and nibiye togambaga Julius there's a lot of things they are being exposed to. There is a lot of temptations of asaija and all that and the money, the economy, daddy don't touch manyabiki. There's a lot peer pressure. So please speak to the youth. I feel like you're the best person to speak to them because you've Miss Personality on the track.
Yeah, she's a teen.
And she's a teen.
You teenager?
Yes, she is.
I
must speak to them.
Yeah. Ekyunkusobola gamba hala abaana abwire buno ngeri tuli mu ruhumura. Okay, like abaana tunakuyamba abazire right in order to making ourselves busy. Yeah, okuyamba emirimo okulima keke kino niko avoiding
Mwana interrupting omwana
omwana wagambire
so that you can avoid even if you kugama abasajja bakuja mu kutalibaniza so
we want you to be part of that campaign daddy
don't touch it is
please be part of that we have a campaign kukendeza teenage pregnancy so we had the campaign is called Daddy Don't Touch and the teenagers were being enticed by the sugar daddies kuba certain actually even in nabaisiki nabakana bojo
until Daddy Don't Touch is actually framed in that way
bojo campaign tunateka ndosi nanga zona
kandi bijane motoka eno
mwana mumuleka malire message ya buli omuntu yamuhereza something to talk about
ngiyimusobora kugamba we should keep ourselves busy.
We should keep ourselves busy. That is nice. Julius, say something to the parents who have children at home.
Of course, nyoti nja kunanga kuhindura ebigambo byange byenkanye magambo. Like abantu baraba humwire bajja kubaha ama TV biki but take time watching na TV already what be back watching biki some most of I've realized into programs is packaging ake za abana abato sometimes when an information is bakurabya am telling good for our kids. That is true.
Yes.
Bukuranti mu cartoon biki but cartoon there is a package bakitairemu ibakulenga to kuteka mbanda baitu mubongo na binari. So take time watching na TV overall abana mubaho bwire be with them. Fine, we have a busy world. To be busy out of more full time. Bogendo muka talk with them. Bahabuze kinakimi. Rombita bubiao. Araba na wata. Abazaira watochinga watorana numufairu zizabana bawo Mr. Nwana naruga gena garuga na fairu na garo toka raiga katunga maxi zingabiki. Really, it is not good.
Paco. Speak to parents about not parents. Speak to parents about children's fashions and how to groom them in these holidays.
Hello, centers is really cheap or only sometimes is free. Actually, Nyankusaba, if at least to like another youth center, in a youth center, or only a church, only a kingdom, or only any NGO, because I think when you're on to now one youth center and a better kiddo.
And you see now, it is churches not operating that. Yes. But now churches can go into business. They don't even think about that. What can we do for them?
Like for them to pass time. Yes. Instead of them being tempted to do other things,
yes.
They be coming to pass time. Usually what they do in holidays, learning how to use those instruments.
Yes. Actually, if you can afford, I think Kitara media, you can send them the camera, how to use cameras.
We have lots of activities.
You know, actually it is good to get exposed to other things. But we just say math na wiki, but umana kenge camera wakusabata, umana kenge.
Actually, if you have a boy child, miaka 15 msindikata ndike.
Msindikata jaka.
Ngenda pote ho.
Give you a message properly.
You get bwana bora bwo mwana omonjo. No mwisiki
for us we duka. Ari nyonyi na watu yatundaga
kilo kimo wazumuleke.
Na watu yatundaga bine mweta bwana socks manyana na kabaragala. We used to kurubata muktauni no bunanka. No bucket tutinda kabaragala. Some of us areembere to subtini series because we have seen it all.
Ite tuka number 2 akulile here we had once a lot sentence yagiamuga bagetaga goal tinkumaya mukyagiju mama inambali HBN hateka line akaboma yana akanesomero kwa Precious Junior.
I don't even remember how na ka library Mr. Biden
atito agendaga hagola. You would find there interesting cartoons, ezidinongeza abana games obutabu timanyire orundi bakagenda orundi but internet wagendaga before you.
So for you, what is the message about parents and grooming their children?
Nyamugambire, if you have omwana omukuru, especially a boy who is 15, these people want money. Oja kuma emitwala ebiro tekezo muhayire.
Kala ina akaisike
but these people mitwala ebiro to be
mutwala ebiro mutwala inaguha fauzi.
Omwana muleka genda just put for them curfew. Mugambe actually do not limit a boy child. I will make a not even come back at 6:30.
Not even 15. I don't like a discipline of money. Not even 15. No man will make a muka. He was just no, like I'm saying, there's a point in no man will make a muka. He will take you. Omugamba at the end of the holiday, when the setting already discipline on money. Indeed, boku muhayo rukumi are saving your heavy time.
Yeah, my brothers are always with money. But we can say, do you know why? So, but so Tandika, Nevagamba this year, Mammy, I enjoyed last year. Before they left Uganda. So they were like this year to when they were coming, and they were like, okay, we started giving them money. Orundi ni bakoraga ni bahanuranga bakendo zomuka. Ngamba atenyi gendo tunde
ni batunde.
These people had bakakiwa coming kaga in the first 2 months.
At our coming kaga, that is literally even a big business.
But now to be here, we are many jolly muganga kuri wa kamenye timulia mbeba. Okwa ngamba talia mbeba talia senene.
Talia munyakialo muleke African traditional man muleke.
Wakameba leto rali.
Okulali akamira.
Wait ugambire embeba.
Ati
ndikubona. Because it is I'm just using a metaphor kwa katito
na kiteba yomusaka.
Katito. So but abana nyonyo abana nyonyo they would give me money. Even when I actually grew old they were kwaga sente but a sentence omanye tukale mpo yokoro mzee. How sentence are kono sevinga no zimona.
It is possible.
Like when this is sentence
it is possible.
Of course that's Asura.
These are the words if you want to baliza abana because it starts with the parent. The reason as to why ati okura abana sister wao na brother wao ntino barakura into like wako wali muisikio moja kama sente tikija mukanga boyfriend oba sugar dada kama sente tikija mukanga because sente zitandikire zikoramu kuzikwata na akiyali it is not
engo is a Christmas omanike bangambi
twemwe sente
bangamba ezo tukasevinga ya nongwa
is a Christmas
but they already sent for Christmas clothes so bagamba urazeta tunakura makagari niko twatukwenda.
They are progressing. Their needs are different. Their needs are now different. Even you kuleta Christmas, their needs.
I would excite them now. Gamba bumura bakira abana in class.
So abana leka tubole.
But they were like, oh, that is automatic in a way.
Abana leka tubole.
But we already sorted it out already.
Abana leka tubole kenti sente bazikora tibazikuhabuka.
Yeah.
The girls should know. That eki kusisa society ya 20 esente bazikora bukora tibazikuha
omanyire baby neki akugamba mayire sente ankupako zinu zake
you see intakimanyire sente ina kuzikolerera
mbwa ati warabozi imbaye njazolishya mama na lina zala gamba mimi ankupaka paige sente cause bamanyire I always told them bakoire sente okozereki
kuzikora
ezabuza zinuganka sisa just kama ni hivi milioni here ujakutaka gawo kujona ngena
no actually it would take me a long while to spend your money, very long,
because of where I
may not directly ask you but it will take me a long while such that just in case you say something that I don't expect I swear just in case there are very few people who give me their money and I'm like okay because I know why they are giving me the money, for example. But if you give me your money without a reason for like 6 months
akukoli enguzi
ona kwenge mije
abakuba atukura ba driver
nyokugambira kwa uzia nanyogi mpayi
pako
I would first you remember moja utwayese one time the very good one mumanye umukenge munyani waitu twamugamba aija ebyo mani tata abaine ebyo omoja kangakola netu why agamba no you guys need to first sit me down, you show me your statement for the last 2 years. Well, like we have been working. No. Because when you do the unexpected, anything is up. But you know what you're going now. Has to go can you make it? Okujuka mother remember your HB.
Money is discipline, by the way. I think it is Rwanda or Kenya. Hariba kwenda ku abasirikale bana banguda ba traffic bakwenda kuba uniform zitainansa. So they think into corruption ya ngudo baje kwa bakoze baje no ziteka manda pant no mu socks no mu kofira baje ziteka. So it is discipline literally.
So me nyo pakoto is my childhood friend akirege nyinki yakare ntazimusabire akampa kaka ideke send for 3 months. I will not use that money because I'll be wondering akono agia kuongamba so that bwara kora any weird statement nimgamba Mr. Sente zawo zino
aza kwa umeiba kubazi kwa ile naenda to bribe you for good day.
That is why it will take me 3 months before I spend your money.
Kanda after 3 months.
Yeah. Kanda after the 3 months. Kuzi spending kurungi, it is after 6 months. After that 3 months, trust me, like you said, money is discipline. They give you money that doesn't belong to you. Why should you spend the money? Mr. Esente zabandi zisala school fees. School fees kastokali ya H10 kilikubura nikikubura
kandi haloboziro no Mr.
for some group and I was done keeping the money. I can't use the money. Umuntu leka esente za iya kazi kusabagota zi. Koso no kubingo mukaleka. When someone gives me their money has to be kept because ekiro kyogamba ziko zisanyekya nakera.
No azisabira.
No brona hawaziha.
No yona.
Wakato zaga nyomo kashite pempe 12. Mukashikageza ukira ya pe 12. But anyway, so people, you've heard the messages from our dear people who have come through. I'm happy that the Queen came through. Say your goodbyes. You start saying your goodbye.
Chabotu Bunyoro, the home of Mpako, Kandi, fighting addiction is like war. You win or you die. Trying. Visit any health facility. Oyerwani semize ogende barundi bakuhane rondo tunge ebirakuya mu nyikarenkyo
because counseling niko kuhane
gande kinde kikusemayo is about campaign zaitezo muzijombira muno already tujja kutandika na Daddy.Touch na Queen Fauzia busabu kwata mwana teneko Daddy.Touch kandi siko sel mugende mumanye status zanyu. No career should go for career. Career should go for normal people. Ciao.
Julius?
Nanyokole mentions nkole ya
Ogokora mentions mugia konsasura sente zogura.
No, kalini orazikora mentions zisikaire.
Baza sijonka baza.
Wacha record sente za twa.
Washa record zi abantu batolere ebizina kandi ebizina ziri master bitulungi. Check them out kanda na Kitara Media Group ita tukolera videography na photography hamukolo yawe. Muleke kugenda hali ba fake masters aba street abajja bakora obusadi obwino mwirimo video. You see, so why don't you come to Kitara Media bakakolera the best araba tababa baina nabandi baba hero ni ndaba from game koro yaba you know tukujja kukolera stream ya mukoro gwawo gona streaming live mukoro ba
na surprise uzikora babuze.
Yes, na surprise tukora ina surprise tujikora ina mugonse babo kwenda ku surprising oba mami at now that we are operating Christmas kwenda kuba Christmas packages and in the form of surprise to airing on Kitara TV. Come to us tujja kubaba na tubikolera otherwise mwebala baikaireho. Yes.
Madam, that Kitara TV watchers subscribe. They give a notification button. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, everywhere we are there. Fauzia is the one who is going to end the show. And by the way, next week, Queen Fauzia ni wagia to hosting. Ananyonja kuja no benka Fauzia ni wagia to hosting. Ni wakuja na topic niwe bwana na ida tutere mpi na tutere it is. You finish the show, Fauzia.
Okay. So that you hosted me. I'm very happy. And what I can say is be a good person so that they also come here. Nego bakulete ohani. Yeah, Semeniro muno that I'm even going to host you guys next week. I'm going to prepare myself.
What is a research topic? You should have statistics. I'm going to have home mojo ayenda before our PhD.
All in all, follow. You have to follow. I request, by the way, follow our YouTube channel, Kitara TV. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe it.
Okay. Thank you. Ciao.
Chat TV Kwegesa Kumanyisa.